Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. Today we are going to talk about a giant class action lawsuit that seeks to have restitution damages against Do Kwon, Terraform Labs, and others. This is a class action lawsuit, but it's not only against Do Kwon, Terraform Labs, and other. It was class action lawsuit. And you can see this like mega tsunami is destroying the DeFi industry and crypto hedge funds, as you can see over here from the Block Co. Three Arrows Capital positions, they've been liquidated by FTX, Durabit, and BitMEX. So Three Arrows Capital are melting down before our very eyes. They're melting, people. Even though Terra tokens bear all the hallmarks of being investment contracts and thus securities under the Howey test, no registration statements have been filed with the SEC. That is one of the allegations, and true allegation, obviously, of the investors on Terra Luna contracts and of the companies that invested in like Anchor Protocol for their clients. And the suit seeks restitution for the monetary value of the purchase price of the Terra tokens and attorney's fees for the plaintiff and all others similarly situated. Now, this is a class action, which means the money will be split among all the plaintiffs, which means if you join, you will get a total value of $5. Yes, you might get $5 back, which means you could probably buy lunch at a McDonald's for your losses. But either way, this is what these are all the people that are actually kind of involved in this. Class action lawsuit filed today accuses Do Kwon, TFL, Terraform Labs, Terra USD, and other defendants like Jump Crypto, Jump Trading, Republic Capital, Miami Maximal, The Capital, Defiance Capital, and there's no company of these names associated with TFL, Defiance Technologies, GSR Markets, Three Arrow Capital, and Nicholas Platius. So there are a bunch of defendants, like 6 or 7 at least, and these are funds, individuals that are like, I guess, financial advisors or like people that invested money on behalf of other people that actually had access to their funds, and they're actually being sued in a class action lawsuit. Even though the Terra tokens bear all the hallmarks of being investment contracts and thus securities under the Howey test, the lawsuit says no registration statements have been filed with the SEC. The lawsuit also claims that members of the Terra Foundation Guard, or TFL, a nonprofit formed to defend Terra tokens against severe market volatility, acted on behalf of TFL to promote the stability. So obviously they're saying like, you know what, you guys completely lied to us, and you guys that like invested our money via third party, you didn't do your due diligence and you lost all our money. So now we're suing to get the money back. I don't know how many people are part of this class action or plaintiffs, but there's probably a lot of them. So it kind of details how Terra actually fell apart. And the suit seeks restitution of the monetary value of the purchase price of the Terra tokens and attorney's fees for the plaintiff. So basically, probably like the millions of dollars of the purchase fees, and of course, lawyer fees, which could amount to millions of dollars. TFL representatives did not actually return word. So it's not only Terra that's actually in trouble. A lot of these other defendants that are actually in trouble, like Three Arrows Capital, I don't know how they're actually going to get the money back because they're already in like insolvency phase and liquidation phase. So it's very unlikely that the plaintiffs will get all the money back, even if they completely win the lawsuit, because the money just isn't there anymore. So we'll have to see actually how this goes on. And this is going to be, I think there's going to be a lot more class action lawsuits against like investment firms and like loaning platforms and stuff like that. And the SEC will just have a field day with this right now. This might fund them for the next decade. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.